Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we have the system of the equations 3x plus b equals 5x minus 7 and 3y plus c is equal to 5y minus 7. So for the first equation, 3x plus b equals 5x minus 7. Firstly, we want to get the 3x over, so we have all the x's on one side, so we subtract 3x from both sides. Now we have b is equal to 5x minus 2x minus 7. This other equation, we have 3y plus c equals 5y minus 7. And do a similar thing, subtracting by 3y on both sides, which will lead these to cancel, and we get c is equal to 5y minus 3y, which is 2y minus 7. Now, we are told that b is c minus 1/2. So b equals c minus 1/2. And we can use this to plug in c minus 1/2 in for b in this equation. That's equal to 2x minus 7. And if we add 1/2 to both sides, this cancels and we get c is equal to 2x, and then negative 7 plus 1/2 is negative 6.5. And now we know that c is equal to this and c is equal to that. Therefore, this is equal to that. 2x minus 6.5 equals 2y minus 7. Add 6.5 to both sides. We have 2x is equal to 2y minus 7 plus 6.5 is minus 0.5. Divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. And again, if you're not comfortable just doing these subtractions off the top of your head, remember this is the calculator section. You can just plug anything into your calculator, even if you want to be super sure. Never forget that you can do that. We're dividing everything by 2 to get these coefficients out of the way, because these cancel and you get x is equal to y, and then minus 0.5 divided by 2 is minus 0.25. Again, another place where you can use your calculator. And from this information, which of the following is true? Well, we want to turn this into one of these. So we have x, and then equal sign you can turn into is, and then y minus 0.25. What is 0.25? 0.25 is 1/4. So we have x is y minus 1/4. This lines up with A, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.